Hi, Wendy. My name's Christian with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We're a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence all on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are exclusive to you. So you're not playing the game of whoever paid the most money this month gets the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. They're your leads because it's your site. And so I had your Facebook page pulled up here, and I'm glad to see that you have on there that you're a real estate investor and that you're a real estate broker owner. So you're at least letting people know, hey, I'm a realtor, I'm a broker, and call me, right? Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't have the fact that they are a realtor on their Facebook page. And so you do. That's good. I'm glad to see that. Now, I note that your Facebook page brings us to wendylee365.com, which is not built. Also, ownyourlegacy.com. Both of these sites you own, but don't have anything running. So, a couple things. First of all, that's actually a good thing, given the fact that you have these domains, because what you're actually doing is seasoning them. So you're giving Google time to be like, hey, you know what? They're here, but there's nothing there. So it's actually gaining trust as far as Google's concerned, which isn't necessarily bad. So first of all, obviously, I would highly suggest getting one of these built. Whichever one you choose, once one's built, you can always just redirect your other one to this one. So you have one site, but both of them redirect to the same site. Okay, neither here nor there. When building this, whether you build it yourself or have it built by somebody, you want to have, keep in mind that content is king. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. We like to see 1,500 words minimum on any page we're trying to rank. Now, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing to keep in mind is that especially in real estate sites, how your photos are saved matters. With the IDX feed and with all the listing photos, it's very important. A lot of times when we upload a photo to a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. Typically, it'll consist of random letters and numbers, or it'll be like pick one, pick two. Okay, that's no good. Do your homework. Make sure your photos are saved with the proper content needed to help rank that site. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Chicago Realtors. We got Deborah Dobbs, Chicago Association of Realtors, Sonia Figueroa, right? Okay, so obviously this is where you want to be. Now, down here, this is what we like to call the organic search. And what I'd like to point out, it's every search is different, but as you can see, this Baird Warner, this must be a brokerage in the area, or maybe a real estate agent. They're actually beating Zillow, right? And then if you look, Dreamtown.com, Dreamtown Realty, is actually beating Yelp.com. So that's because they're implementing proper SEO strategies, which is search engine optimization. And so they're actually up there with the big dog. So it can happen. Now, I noted that you do have, I found your Google My Business page, but I think I had to go down a few pages. So you are definitely not in the first page, which obviously you want to be. Let's see here. Okay, so second page, you are not here either. So I'm not going to go to the third or fourth. This is you, okay? Couple things I want to point out. First of all, congratulations on the fact that you have one. Second of all, how many leads are you bringing in from this? Couple things. I don't know how long you've had it, but we recommend 25 reviews. So obviously you have 9 reviews. We want to see 25. So just keep pushing for those reviews. Next is the photos. Again, photos are so very important. So first of all, what I want you to keep in mind is that this photo, this drive-by, Google My Business drive-by photo, this doesn't count, okay? You're going to want to upload 10 photos of your own, and you're going to want to make sure that all 10 photos are saved the right way. So again, photos are so very important. We want 10 photos, 25 reviews. Other than that, you do have everything else filled out here pretty good. Also, again, just get yourself as many citations as you can. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. Obviously, your domain isn't up and running right now, so you don't have any backlink data. But once it's up and running, you'll notice that basically you'll have backlinks here. You'll have referring domains for those backlinks. This will show you your keywords, your organic keywords you're ranking for, and also your domain rating. This domain rating is a 0 out of 100. So once you have your site built, as long as you do it properly, you'll actually see Google crawl and your domain rating go up and up as your ratings go up, and it'll actually tell us what page you're on and what you're ranking for and all sorts of stuff. Obviously, this isn't working correctly right now because you don't have any. Your site's not up and running. But what I want you to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and aren't spammy. So do your homework. The fact that you have none right now is good because you only have one way to go, and that's up. So just make sure you're doing your homework and you're getting powerful backlinks from sites that you can actually relate to your business and that aren't spammy. So keep that in mind, Wendy. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your life, to bring you some more leads and in turn money and freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Other than that, I thank you for watching.